Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it, run it. Ooh, I really.
That's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart.
Do y'all see this beautiful, beautiful chocolate brown color? Look at this, y'all. So today's hair is from Hermosa Hair. I do have the 13x4 HD brown color wig. This is 26 inches. The density is 220%. And this is a body wave texture. Look how pretty. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, I am blow drying the hair, okay? But off camera, I did bleach the knots, and I also... what did I do? Wash and condition the hair. So actually I did let the hair air dry overnight, but then I dampened it and, you know, blow dried it out. So now I'm just going to go in and straighten the hair. So now I'm just going in to lay down my frontal section. I'm adding a little bit of wax, and I'm just using my comb to, you know, push the product into the hair. I did go into the unit and pluck it as well. Also be mindful when you do bleach the knots. You know, I kind of got some of the bleach onto the hair strand, so the roots may appear a little bit lighter, but it's not going to mess up your install, I swear. Now, that's the secret to having a super flat lace. You just want to make sure you're getting into each crack and crevice, okay? Ins and out, do it all, section by section. So this was a couple of days later. I am hot combing the lace again, or the wig again. But anyway, y'all, we're going to get ready to install. First, we have to get rid of the lace. So I'm going to go ahead and create some jagged lines and cut and customize this to my liking. Now for the installing process, we're going to use our Ebon Lace Spray. Y'all know I love this stuff, but it is kind of cool. This day when I filmed it, it was kind of cool, so I did not use too many layers. I probably used 1, 2, maybe, because like I said, when it's cold outside, baby, your wig ain't going to go nowhere, okay? It's just not. So I don't have to use this much product. I do have my dryer on a medium heat, a medium setting. You know, it's not cool, it's not hot, but it's like in the middle. So I'm still gonna wait until it's tacky. Once it's tacky, we're gonna go ahead and pull it down. But y'all, look how this lace is just melting to my forehead. Like, what lace, baby? This HD lace is popping. And I love that the knots, as I showed you guys in earlier clips, the knots are super duper small. So baby, one lace all day, every day, okay? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and secure this unit all the way around. Be mindful if you do see the light switching from like yellow to bluish. It's actually the sun. The sun is going up and down, so yeah. So we are done, and y'all see that looks so freaking good, okay? But anyway, y'all, to further this melt, to have that extra meltage, you want to take your elastic band and you want to let your hair sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes has passed and I'm ready to take it off, and boom, y'all, this lace disappeared. I don't care what nobody said. But anyway, y'all, we're gonna do a bust down middle part today because, you know, I'm just feeling the middle part. So I'm gonna go in and straighten up this part. And I feel like y'all see how flat this section is. It's like if you take section by section and use the wax in your hot comb, you can have your hair laying super duper flat, and that's what I love. But anyway, now since we have the part straight, I'm gonna go in with some concealer and we're gonna go ahead and define the part. If you don't define it, it's not gonna pop. Look at that. I backed out, zoomed out a little bit so you guys can see. Look at that part. Look how flat and sleek everything looks. Okay. So y'all know what I'm doing. When y'all see me go in and part anywhere in that unit, you already know I'm going to do some baby hairs. And I shouldn't have done some baby hairs because, sis, I really, looking back at the footage, watching it now, y'all, I didn't need no baby hairs. I didn't need those. I don't know. I was trying to go for like the fluffy look and it just did not work. So anyway, I'm just going in to thin out this section. Number one, I just pulled out too much hair. So I tried to follow up with my, what is it called? Razor comb. And to thin out that area. But when I chopped it here, I was like, girl, you pulled out too much hair. So as you guys can see, I'm taking my thin not mini, but it's like a pencil like flat iron to curl the baby hairs, and I'm just gonna swoop. But like I said, today was a struggle day for my baby hairs, so I'm not even gonna sit on here and try to act like they were cute, because sis, they were all right. Okay, they were just doing too much. Y'all know I was just trying to be different and get the fluffy look, but the product and all. All right, guys, so I'm just going to go in lastly to curl the hair. I'm going to put some heat protectant on it, and I'm also following up with my Sebastian hairspray. That way my curls will last a little bit longer. So we're just going to go ahead and curl her up, and I'm just going to give you guys pretty much my overall view of this unit. So if you're looking on the market for a new wig for the fall, because y'all know it's officially fall now, so let's get you this wig. Okay, if you don't like color, I advise you would fall in love with this pretty chocolate brown color, because girl, it's top tier, period. So yeah, like I said, I washed and conditioned the hair earlier. I didn't experience any bleeding of the hair, even though the hair is a brown color. It didn't bleed on me. As far as tangling and shedding, I got mine in shedding. Of course, I plugged into the unit so you can get shedding. Tangling, pretty much non-existent. I didn't experience any. So this is gonna pretty much wrap up this video, y'all. I really enjoyed working with this unit. I loved how my curls turned out. Like, color with curls, it's just the go. Okay, you cannot lose. You'll never lose. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All information in regards to this beautiful unit will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.